Session we will solve exercise 2.2 B1 2 3 4. Okay, so first come to the question number 1. What question number 1 is saying? Question number 1 is saying find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2. So 3 value of x is given. We have to find the polynomial value in each of the 3 value. So come to the solution. You can see px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 given. So at x equal to 0, I'm just replacing x with 0. So p0 equal to 5 into 0. Look, x was there, so I'm replacing with 0. Now 4x square. So x was there, I'm replacing with 0. 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0 is 0. 4 into 0 is 0 plus 3. So ultimately we are getting 3. Okay. At x equal to minus 1. So look, I'm not repeating the px here, but in exam if you have to find, in exam only one question one value will be given and one value you have to find. So you have to write the px here like the first question. So at x equal to minus 1, I'm replacing x with minus 1. So 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Okay, just replacing x with minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, 5, minus 4, minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 4 is minus 4 and plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Okay, next number 3. Number 3 actually a little bit messy. At x equal to 2, p2, it will be 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square, not cube. So I just did the one mistake actually, putting cube. So it will be square plus 3. 5 into 2 is 10. 4, 2 squared is 4 plus 3. Now 10 or same here. 4 into 4 is 16. 3 is here. 3 plus 10 is 13 and minus 16. So answer is minus 3. Next question number 2. Find p0, p1, p2 for each of the following polynomial. Therefore polynomial is given and we have to find for each polynomial p0, p1, p2. You can understand that what is p0, p1, p2. We have to just replace x with 0, 1 and 2. Now come to the solution. So py is given y square minus y plus 1, right? So what will be p0? We are just replacing y with 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1, ultimately 0. This is 0, so 1. Okay. Next, p1, just replacing y with 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So answer is 1. Next, p2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Why 2 square? I'm replacing y with 2, y with 2 and 1 is here. 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 1. So answer is 3. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is saying pt equal to 2 plus t 2t square minus t cube. So p0 will be 2 plus t replacing 0. Now t replacing with 0 square minus 0 cube. So you can see this will be 0, 2 into 0 0, this will be 0. So ultimately answer will be 0. p1, 2 plus 1, y1 t replacing t with 1 into 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1, 2 into 1 square is 2 because 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. So 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 is 5, 5 minus 1, 4. Question number 2. And again, if we are replacing t with 2, so 2 plus 2 into 2 square. Okay, 2 replacing 2 minus 2 cube replacing t. So 2 plus 2 we got 4. Now 2 here, 2 squared is 4 and 2 cube is 8. 4 plus 8 minus 8. So 8 cancel, answer is 4. Now question number 3 is saying px equal to x cube. So p0 will be 0 cube 0. p1 will be 1 cube 1. p2 will be 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, we know. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is px equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So in p0 we replace x with 0. So 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 0 plus 1 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is, sorry, minus 1 into plus 1 is minus 1. Next, p1, replacing x with 1. So 1 minus 1. Here also 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So 0. P3. I'm replacing s with 3, okay, 3 minus 1 into 3 plus 1. So 3 minus 1 2, 3 plus 1 4, 4 into 2 is 8. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 is saying verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial. Okay, that means here each polynomial, you can see each polynomial is given and x value is given. We have to check whether this x value is the value given for x is zero of the polynomial or not. How to check? We all know that we have to do. What we have to do actually? So I verify this polynomial, this the given value of x is zero or not. What do we have to do? We have to put the value of x in the px. Whatever polynomial value px is given, you have to put the value of x in the px. Then you have to check whether it is equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, actually this is the definition of polynomial. We all discussed, right? If it is equal to 0, when we put the x value in the polynomial, if it is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 0 of the polynomial. That's what we do. Px equal to 3x plus 1 and given x equal to minus 1 by 3. So in this question I just wrote this thing so that you can understand. In the exam you don't need to write this line, okay? To verify, we have to check px at x equal to minus 1 by 3. So p minus 1 by 3, I just put the value 3x plus 1. So instead of x I am putting minus 1 by 3. 3 cancel. So what will remain here? Minus 1 and here plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Okay. Then, so we got for minus 1 by 3, we got px equal to 0. That means minus 1 by 3 is the 0 of the polynomial px. Next, question number 2. Question number 2 is saying px equal to 5x minus 5 and x equal to 4 by 5. So we can see p 4 by 5 we are checking. 5 into replacing x with 4 by 5 cancel. So 4 minus 5. That is actually not equal to 0, right? Therefore 4 by 5 pi is not a 0 of px. We have to write this line in the exam, okay? Whether it is 0 or not, otherwise it is not complete. Because question asks whether it is 0 or not. So you have to answer like this. After this or after this, you have to write this line. The 0, this is a 0 of polynomial or this is not a 0 of polynomial, okay? Next, px equal to x square minus 1. So x equal to 1 comma minus 1. Any of the, so both value we have to check, okay? So p1 I am checking, p1 I am putting 1 square minus 1. X is, instead of x I am putting 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. P minus 1 square is 1 and minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 square is 1, minus 1 0. So in both case we got 0. Therefore both 1 and minus 1 is 0 of this px. In question number 4 is saying px equal to x plus 1 into x minus 1. So you can say x equal to 1, minus 1 and 2 given. So first we will check minus 1. So p minus 1 equal to, in bracket, minus 1 plus 1, because I am replacing only x. So, and here is minus 1 minus 2. I am replacing x with minus 1, okay? So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 into minus 3 into 0 equal to 0. p2. So we have to replace x with 2. So 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. So you can see 2 minus 2 is 0. Okay, so 3 into 2 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So both case, you can see both case we got 0, right? That means minus 1 and 2 both are 0 of the polynomial. Okay. Then question number 5. Question number 5 is px equal to x square. So, and x equal to 0. So p0 value will be 0 square, okay, equal to 0. 0, this 0, number 0 is the 0 of the px. That's very interesting things. Now px equal to lx plus m and x value is given minus m by l. So p equal to minus m by l equal to l into replacing x with minus m by l. Now l cancel, minus m, and here is plus m. Now next line, minus m plus m cancel, equal to 0. So that means minus m by l is 0 of px. Look, every time you have to, after the finding this 0 or not equal to 0, you have to write whether it is 0 or not. So here I am writing minus m by l is 0 of px. Next, question number 7. Saying px equal to 3x square minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by root 3, comma, 2 by root 3. So P minus 1 by root 3 value is 3 into minus 1 by root 3 square minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 by root 3 square is what? 1 by 3, and minus square is, you know that plus 3 cancel, 1 minus 1 0. Next is 2 by 3, right? Two value, minus 1 by 3 and 2 by root 3. So now we have to check 2 by root 3. So P 2 by root 3 will be 3 into 2 by root 3 square minus 1, because we are replacing only x. So 2 by root 3 square means what? 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. Now 3 cancel, we got 4 minus 1, that is 3. Actually 3 not equal to 0, right? That means this is not a 0 of px. So minus 1 by root 3 is 0 of px, but not 2 by root 3. This is not a 0 because its value is not equal to 0, but its value is 0. So minus 1 by 3 is 0 of px, but not 2 by root 3. Next, question number 8. Px equal to 2x plus 1 and x equal to 1 by 2 is given. So we are checking P 1 by 2. 2, if you put it will be 2 to cancel, 1 plus 1 2. 2 is not equal to 0, right? So 1 by 2 is not a 0 of polynomial Px. Question number 4. What question number 4 is saying? Question number 4 is saying find the 0 of the polynomial in each case. So you can see polynomial are given, each 9 or 8, 7 polynomial given. In each polynomial you have to find the 0. Okay, we know the rule. How to find? We have to equalize this polynomial with 0, so that we can find the value of x, and that value of x will be 0 of the polynomial. Let's go to the solution. Okay, first question is px equal to x plus 5. So I told that to find 0 we have to equalize px with 0. So px equal to 0 we got. Then px value is what? X plus 5. Okay, so x plus 5 equal to 0. So and x equal to, if you take the 5 to that side, if you take the 5 to that side, it will be minus 5. So minus 5, x equal to what we got? Minus 5, right? That means minus 5 is 0 of this px. That's what I wrote. Minus 5 is 0 of px. Next, question number 2. Px equal to x minus 5. Okay, now we have to put px equal to 0. So px equal to x minus 5 I am putting. So if we 5 taking that side, x equal to 5. That means 5 is 0 of px. Okay. Okay, next question. Question number 3. 3 is px equal to 2x plus 5. Basically we have to find the value of x actually. Okay, and that value of x is actually 0. So px equal to 0, we have to put 2x plus 5 equal to 0. If you take 5 that side, we got 2x equal to minus 5. If you divide both sides with 2, we getting x equal to minus 5 by 2. So therefore minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of px. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is px equal to 3x minus 2. So px equal to, we have to put 0. So px equal to what? 3x minus 2. That's what we are putting. Okay, equal to 0. 2 take that side, so 3x equal to 2. If we divide both sides with 3, we will get x equal to 2 by 3. So what ultimately getting 2 by 3 is the 0 of polynomial px. So that is question number 4. Question number 5. I did in a very small area. So px equal to, you can see px, question number 5 is saying px equal to 3x. So px equal to, you have to put 0, 3x equal to 0. If you divide both sides with 3, it will be x equal to 0 by 3, 0 by 3, you know that 0. So 0, here 0 is a 0 of px. Very interesting, right? Here also saying px equal to ax, where a not equal to 0. Very important point. This, why a not equal to 0 given. So px equal to 0, we have to put ax equal to 0, because px equal to ax here. Okay, ax equal to 0. Now both sides divide with a. Here it will be x equal to 0 by a. Now here is one condition given, a not equal to 0. Okay, why given? Because if a is 0, 0 divided by 0, it will be undefined. So it is mentioning a not equal to 0. So 0 divided by a is 0. Okay, so here also 0 is the 0 of the polynomial px. The last question of this exercise is given px equal to cx plus d, where c not equal to 0. So c and comma d is real number. In the question is saying that real number, and this is the real number sign. Okay, now put px equal to 0. So px value is cx plus d, so I am putting cx plus d, that is equal to 0. If I take d to right side, it will be cx equal to minus d. If you divide both sides with c, it will be x equal to minus d by c. Now here also same condition given, c not equal to 0. We have to write this condition. Otherwise, if denominator is 0, that number is undefined. Okay. So therefore minus d by c is 0 of polynomial px.